This is the Lockpicking Newbie, and what we have is this Mul-T-Lock Junior that I've been working on. And let's see if we can make any progress. Okay. I've got a wide Z-bar here from the black flag set. I'm tensioning clockwise, so I'm going to pick counterclockwise. Nothing on 1. We'll click on 2 and some movement in the core. We'll click on 3. Let's see if I get any more. Yeah, a little bit more out of 3. Yeah, 4 just didn't really want to go there. Ooh, I'll try the hook this time. That could be of interest. Okay. Yeah, I didn't like that on 1. Yeah, I kind of don't like the way this hook is working either. Okay, little click on 2. Nothing on 3. Little click on 4. Ugh, that feels terrible. Okay, I'm gonna go with the small guy. Nothing on 1. Okay, we'll click on 2, some movement. Click on 3 and some movement. All right, I'm not sure if I got 4 or not. I just think I need a little bit more lift. So let me actually see if I can move this inboard just a skosh. That might be too big of a skosh. Well, just see. Yeah, that was too big. That's too much. Oh, I'm right up against the key pins in there because of the angle. All right, so let's just leave it like that then. Okay, on 1. Just might click on 2. Just click on 3. Oh, something on 4. I don't think that was 5. I think that's like the back of the lock. Oh, there's my click on 5. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit bigger flag and get 1 now, because I think 1's much higher set. Okay. Now I dropped something, so I'll come back to those. 2 is real firm, click. 3 is firm, click. 4, click. Oh, here's 5. Nice click on 5, okay. Maybe I'll go with the hook. Try to lift these pins. I'm gonna have to file this hook. This thing is terrible. All right, I'll use the bigger flag. Little click on 1. Kind of a lame little click. Little click on 2 with some movement. Not sure where I'm at. So, you know, just like any other lock, you've got to maintain your concentration as to where you're at. I can see down the keyway. Doesn't help me much, but I can see. Okay, so I'm back around 3, and it definitely feels like there's something in the way there. Ooh, big false set. I just eased tension just a hair, and it went crazy. So now I'm just feeling for a binder. And we're open. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that was not the most awesome open. And I've just done something to the lock, so I might have just bricked the lock too. But let's get this out of here and see what we can make happen next with it. All right, so I see some pins. Oh yeah, I see what's happening. Okay. I just let a whole bunch of pins drop down into the top of the keyway, which of course wouldn't happen if the key was in it. So let me first try to fix that with one of my few remaining picks that isn't all bent up. I don't know if I'm going to have to pick these pins out of the way. There we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, this whole core is upside down now. I'm going to lock it back up. This is, like I said in the other video, this is really, really cool. I don't know what else to say. It's completely different from the other locks I've picked. Even the other dimple lock. It's really fun. I mean, you guys know this. What a rush to get that click and get that movement. And then what a panicky feeling to have the whole core lock up when you turn it. All right, so gonna put a shim in. It's really tight. Probably don't need a shim, but whatever. Yeah, let's just bail on the shim. Okay. Figure out which follower to use. Ooh, I do not think that's the one. Oh, yeah, that's the one. Okay, here we go. Maybe I do need the shim. I don't know, guys. I've never gutted one of these. And what I remember from the gutting videos, people just gutted them like normal. I don't think there's a sidebar or anything in here. See if I can get the follower in it now. Okay, guys, here we go. Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do with these videos. Okay. So I'm just going to dump these. There's pin 1. Or I should say chamber 1 because there's all these pins in there. 2. That's 3. Where's my dang tweezers? 4, 5, I hope. I don't know, guys, is that a normal junior core? Better be. Okay. I don't know how to arrange these. I don't know how to do anything with this thing. Oh, man. I have a feeling I've mixed up some of these pins, though. I do think that. Oh my gosh. Alright, I will just say I am very happy I got this open. I'm very interested to see how these pins are arranged. I have a feeling as long as this is taking, it's going to take me longer to get it back together. Okay. 5 pins. All right, so I will start with pin 5. See these shapes of these pins where they look like they're mushrooms? Are they really mushrooms, or is that just because they're long? Okay, that looks like a spool. That looks like a big ass spring. That looks like a spool. Another big spring. Oh, whoops. Oh, guys. Okay, so that was 5 and 4. Now we'll do 1. This is really, really interesting, guys. Heck of a spool. Just send a spring flying. I see it on the other side of the table. Here's a standard pin. 2, and finally another spool. Wow. All right. This thing is cool, man. All the pins look like they're steel. These driver pins, I'm trying to decide if the inners come out. Oh, there's a spring in there. Ooh. Okay, that's really cool. There's a spring inside the driver. So they must have like peened the end of this pin over to where, oh yeah. Okay. All right, well, I'm not sure what kind of editing I'm gonna do on this video, but I will just tell you I'm like ecstatic that I got into this Junior. It was not exactly a pick from package. It was a pick, or it was an unpackage, and then I hacked at it for a little while, shut off the video, hacked at it for just a minute and got it open. Then it took me a couple more tries, a few more tries to get it on video. And what a cool lock. In the interest of time and sanity, I will probably speed up some parts of this, but I don't know. There are our pins. Hopefully we have good focus. On the drivers at the top, 4 spools in one standard, if you can call it standard. And then I do not know what to make of the key pins at all. They're awesome. Okay. So that's all I have for you today. This is a lockpicking newbie. Have a good day.